In our video, we will solve this problem.
3
Minus
13
times
3
minus.
13.
You know, according to the PEMDAS, you must do this multiplication first. Then you have to work from left to right. So first you have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. So let's start our solution. We first start with this multiplication.
13
Times
3
which equals.
39.
Now you can write the problem as
3
minus
39
minus,
13.
and you must work from left to right.
3
Minus
39
which equals
minus 36.
minus,
13
and the problem became
minus 36.
minus
13
which equals.
minus 49.
So this was the final answer to this problem.